Hi, I'm Pam, and welcome back to my channel. And I want to share with you a fabric haul that I got. It's not really a fabric haul. I limited myself to 3 items, and this was one of the items that I got. I went to a local thrift shop, and I found this fabric. It's about 3 yards of a soft, cozy fabric. And let's see if we can get you a close-up view of it. And it's kind of pink, purplish, and it has some gray in there. And then I've been working on a pen case for my Etsy shop made by Pam Boutique. And if you want to go ahead and check that out, you can do that also. And it's just a pen case that holds 160 gel pens or markers or colored pencils. And these pockets work good for holding the adult coloring books or even the other kinds of coloring books that they have. And then it's got the carrying handle, and then it's fully zippered, so it zips up completely. And then I've been working on fixing some items. I fixed a pocket on a bag for my husband that was ripping. And then I fixed my daughter's shirt that is like this one. It has the ties on it. She'd gone over to a friend's house, and the guinea pig had eaten away the tie. So I went ahead and repaired that and replaced the ties. Other than that, I haven't been up to a whole bunch. Just keeping busy with my kids. But thanks for watching. You have a great day. And if you like to subscribe, you can go ahead and click the subscribe button anytime. And thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.